Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to insert a picture in Word, in Microsoft Word. So this is our picture. The first step that you need to do is you open Microsoft Word. Okay. Then you just click on Insert. You click on Picture. And then you search for the picture you want to insert. It's on desktop. So just browse for it. There we are. Double click and it appears in our document. Now you can just resize it if you want. You can manipulate the size. If you want it a bit larger, you just enlarge it. And if you want it smaller, you just minimize it. So that's it. It's just as simple as that. Now you can manipulate this picture in several ways. For instance, if you want to shift it, like for example, you want to move it to the right, you come here, you click on position, and you just choose where you want to place it. If you click this, okay, it will be on the top right hand side of the page. And if you click this, for example, it will be in the middle, and you can still manipulate it like this or like this. Okay, and for you to understand better, I will put it here. Okay, so now you can do other things with the picture. For instance, you can add borders. To add borders, you just come here. You have a list of not a list, but several options, several border options that you can choose from. You have these ones, for instance, which I find pretty attractive. Okay, you just put it here. And you can also add effects. Like in order to add effects, you can come here, or you can also try to add color. Okay, manipulate the color. For example, this is grayscale. If I click on this, it will appear like this. Okay. So you can even add the shadow. Okay, just come to format here and you come to picture effects. You come on shadow. Okay. And you can choose. There you are. You have shadow on the right, at the bottom right, at the bottom left, and behind. So you can choose what you want. So you also have picture border. Okay, if you want the border to be colorful, okay, you can choose from any color you want. All that is possible. Okay, this color seems nice to me. So that's it, guys. You can just manipulate it any way you want. Like for instance, here, I can even add brightness, contrast, sharpen, etc. I can just edit the picture. Okay, so suit your demand. What you want to do, you can just do with the picture. So that's it. That's a short video on how to insert a picture in any Word document you want. Great. Thank you.